Next we are discussing integration by forming exact derivative. Okay, so here what type of problems will come, that we will discuss here. So here first time is what, integration of, if we have f dash x gx plus g dash x fx and dx. Suppose we want to integrate like this equation. Okay, so how to integrate this one? Okay, so this integration, how to do integration of f dash x gx plus g dash x fx is nothing but what, fx into gx dash into dx will come. Okay, integration of f dash x gx plus g dash x fx into dx. So here f dash x gx plus g dash x fx we can write as what, fx into gx to the power dash. That means differentiation of fx and gx. So differentiation of fx into gx is what, fx differentiation of f dash x, gx will be as it is, plus here fx is as it is and gx differentiation what will become g dash x. Okay, so now integration of fx into gx differentiation into dx, this is nothing but what, fx into gx plus c, this will come. Okay, second method is what, method 2. Method 2 is what, very simple. Here we can do this one, we can do separate. So what we can do, I equal to integration of f dash x gx into dx plus integration of fx into g dash x dx. This we will take. So what you will do here, this one we will take as it is, and here we will use integration by parts. So what will come here, I equal to integration of f dash x gx into dx plus, if you use here by part, then g dash x will take integrating function and fx will take differentiating function. So what will come here, fx is outside, integration of g dash x will be gx minus big integration differentiation of fx, what will come, f dash x, integration of g dash x is what, gx dx will come. So this is getting cancelled. So I equal to what will come, fx into gx plus c, this will come. So you can see both are same only. So this is method 1 and this is method 2. Second thing, if gx is what, 1, gx is x, sorry, gx is x, then g dash x is what, 1, then this integration will become what, integration of f dash x into x plus g dash x is what, 1 fx dx. Okay, so this integration will become what, integration of x into fx differentiation dx, this will come. So here what will come, this one, x into fx plus c, this will come. So this is second time. Okay, integration of f dash x into x plus fx dx, this integration will come this one. Third type is, if gx is e power x, then g dash x what will come, this is also e power x. So this integration will become what, integration of f dash x gx, so what will come, f dash x into e power x plus g dash x, so g dash x is what, e power x into f of x into dx. Okay, so this integration we can write here, e power x we can take common, so this will come integration of e power x fx plus f dash x dx. Okay, so this integration we can write as what, integration of e power x fx dash dx, this will come. This will come what? Integration of e power x fx differential dx. So this will come what? E power x fx plus c. This is your answer. Okay. And fourth point is, if I take gx is e power hx, then g dash x will what? E power hx into h dash x. This will come. So this integration will become integration of, if I have f dash x into e power hx plus e power hx into h dash x into fx dx. This integration we want to do. Okay, this one we can write like that also. Integration of e power hx is outside, in bracket f dash x plus fx into differentiation of hx h dash x dx. So this one we can write integration of e power hx into fx dash dx. This one we can write. So what is the answer? This will come what? E power hx into fx plus c. That's your answer. So this is your integration of fourth. We are discussing some example. Example is integration of x into e power x divided by x plus 1 whole square dx. So we want to integrate this one. So how to do? So what you will do? Integration of e power x as it is. Here we are writing x plus 1 minus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square dx. This one we can write. So this will come out integration of e power x in bracket. This one we can write x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square. So we can write 1 divided by x plus 1 minus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square dx. This will come. So here you can see this is fx and this will be what? This one we can write like plus minus. So this will be what? F dash x. This will come. So this integration nothing but integration of e power x 1 divided by x plus 1 to the power dash. That means e power x divided by x plus 1 differentiation into dx. So this will come out e power x divided by x plus 1 plus c. That's your answer. Similarly, second problem is this one. So second problem is integration of e power x, numerator is what? 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus cos x dx. So how to integrate this one? So this is what? Integration of e power x 1 minus sin x we can write as what? 1 minus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 divided by 1 minus cos x we can write as what? 2 sin square x by 2 dx. So this will go integration of e power x in bracket 1 divided by 2 sin square x by 2 we can write as what? 1 by 2 cosecant square x by 2 minus here 2 getting cancelled, sin x by 2 getting cancelled, what will come? Minus of cot x by 2 dx. So this will come out integration of e power x in bracket, what we are writing here? Minus of cot x by 2 plus 1 by 2 cosecant square x by 2 dx. So if this is fx, then this will be what? F dash x. So this will come out integration of e power x minus cot x by 2 differentiation dx. So this will come out minus of e power x cot x by 2 plus c. That's your answer.